Morning, guys. It's Sunday, May 12th. I'm at the airport. I just skipped the line because I signed up for Clear. I'm like, I'm not doing this anymore. From now on, this is what I'm doing. I've got moisturizer in my eye, so I can't really see. I actually need to get some water to clean. I need some eye drops, actually. 8:47. Oh my goodness. Wow. I can't see. Okay, my gate is over there. Mine was already there, and I just need Starbucks because I need coffee. I haven't had my coffee yet. But again, I'm not dependent on coffee anymore, so I could actually wait until I get there to have it if I really want to. Yeah, it's pretty cool not being dependent on cafe. Ooh, there's a Mac here. Maybe I should get something. What do I need from Mac? Nothing but. Hello guys. Hola, should I say, from Cancun. We made it. Oh, it's so hot. Loving it for now because I know I'm gonna complain in about 5 minutes. But for now, enjoying it. Here's Janae from Lux. How cute is her airport outfit? So chic. Love it. Hey. And the other girls are taking money out. And they should be here shortly. Yeah. We're here.
That was her? Well, she said this one friends, so I need to switch.
For Rebecca, showing us around, give us a tour.
I'm only
And all the girls are here. And it's the same place we stayed last time. I will leave the link below if you guys want to check it out. But honestly, this is where I'm coming for my honeymoon. This is the place. You should see our room.
And I said, well, I can book one.
It's so nice.
We have one service and it's like 187 and everything. She said, well, no. And they said,
Guys, I don't know if you remember last time when we were here, this whole place was under construction. But now here it is. We're actually staying in one of the new rooms. So nice. And then they have the kitchen downstairs, which I'll show you in a minute. So cute. Ready for food.
Oh wait, it's not recording. Is it recording?
Huh?
It's not recording. Yeah, she's good. Yeah.
Huh?
Cheers! I don't see eyes, Rose. Eyes.
Yeah, because I don't need to be
I don't need that. Okay.
Delicious.
That's good. Good.
La chica dorada.
Thank you. Nobody want no salad, huh?
that looks delicious. That's real Mediterranean.
Dinner is served.
How's your fish? It's really yummy. You want to taste it?
Nah. I don't want to have FOMO and be like, I should have gotten that. And I'm going to be upset. I'll just get that next time.
No, it's not that great. Oh
No, I want you to tell me it's good.
It's like,
Oh, excuse me.
How's yours, Nene?
Good. Very fresh.
Are you dating, Kayla?
Many beauty videos in a row.
I'm about to eat again. Good morning, guys. It's day 2. We are here. So my outfit that I just shot. And such a beautiful day. Manu over there, and then we're ready to have brekkie. Let's go. Having some coffee. Hi, little Lux over there. Hey. Luxing it up.
Doing my very best.
Lux over there,
Luxing it up.
Luxing with Fendi and Saint Laurent.
Right?
That's gonna be my new term. Thank you guys.
Seriously, you should use that.
Luxing.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get that
Trademark. What are you doing? Luxing.
I am on ultimate Lux level right now.
Yeah.
Just out here luxing. With it. That's like Danielle.
Just so you know, the Sayuno is here. Bananas. It reminds me of the bowl that we had at Del Cielo.
Oh yeah, yeah. Good ass anyway.
Hello guys, time for outfit numero dos. And here's our place. Here's the full outfit. How cute is this look? I love it. Maybe I should do a little Our food is here, and something's new. They didn't have the plantain last time. And Super Bowl, the best bowl in the entire world.
It's a little light on it, so you can move it. Look at the guys, 1 hour.
Going to the wounds, guys. Here's Mrs. Gray over here.
Hi.
Chloe.
Hi guys. Hello.
Manuel.
Hello.
Welcome to
Vlogception.
Movie Food.
Hi.
So we're out here at the Tulum.
Got Kayla, Janae. There's a breeze actually. It's not as hot now
Hola, ¿cómo
as
estás?
earlier. So let's go. Basically. Hi, lizard. Oh, so cute. Cutie. Hi.
Stick it in my bag.
Walking to the wounds, guys. This is first time. The wounds didn't make it last year.
Look at all of these creatures.
So beautiful. Look at this. Look at this.
The stairs where you can walk down to the beach, and it's so gorgeous.
Water, guys. The beach behind here.
Let's come over here. There's a way to get down to the. Where'd they go?
They're probably down there. Okay, like always this crazy. Ceviche. Ceviche.
I haven't made dessert too. This tastes like salsa with shrimp in it.
A little bit of shrimp will be chopped up. Yeah. Like whole ass shrimp.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Yeah.
That was like it's pizza.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Oh my god, look at this queen. Look at her. Oh my god. It's
Look at her!
It's a look.
Look at us.
Look at us. Oh my god, we're matching. Good lippy.
Name a better duo.
Yeah, there's no better. Yeah.
We'll wait.
Don't even try. Don't even try. There's no need to. Today is Tuesday, guys. Getting ready. We're about to head down for the Sayuno. Just so you know. Yeah. Just spot here. I'm super excited to eat. So breakfast is something different every day, right? Yeah. Something. I'm excited to see.
Today,
What's for
I
today?
think it's gonna be good because it smelled good.
Yeah, I want eggs today.
She made the sauce. I think it's gonna be eggs.
Yeah, I want eggs. So, all right, let's go eat. Going down in the deep.
You don't think so? I think it is.
Better than Del Cielo for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Here's our breakfast, guys. We're having rancheros. Looks so good. Black coffee. That's Manuel over there. Chilling out. And yeah, let's go and enjoy this food. Yeah, it's another hot day in Tulum. Oh my goodness. But we're having the loveliest time. Here's my look. We're headed to Casa Malga if you don't know where that is, it's in Tulum. It's Pablo Escobar's old mansion turned into this Art Deco hotel. It's pretty cool. It's pretty quirky. It has like very, very cool designs. Again, Art Deco. You know what it means. So yeah, Danielle's here. Style Beauty Doc. Of course, you already know her. And Miss Steele over here. Manuel Steele.
You put your elbow right.
Oh.
Wow.
People come for me. Oh, this is PT Steele.
Yeah, remember
Dr. Steele.
exactly. This is the doctor over there.
Oh, don't
Manuel is
forget.
a physical therapist, so that's why. This is totally legal.
Can you feel the This is doctor recommended.
Exactly.
Show you my degree later.
Yeah.
Can you
She,
feel the
yeah, she
tightness?
got the receipts. She got the receipts, so.
That sleep that bed. I'm just gonna press it.
Exciting.
Okay, so just tell me when.
It's so different. Last year we had to like drive around the entrance. Yeah, they built this whole thing. It's pretty cool. But yeah, we're here. Look at Miss Danielle here. I love this. So cute.
We are here at Xoxo Rose.
We're here.
Every time these cameras come at me, I feel the need to just
Like,
sensory.
no, let them out.
Sorry. I did say I would be absolutely bar free on this.
Drinks are here. I got Passion Rose, French 75, and got a mojito. I'm so ready for this drink.
Y'all's in the bathroom trying to get a video on it.
Oh my god. Cheers.
Wait.
Cheers. To the good life.
Can we do it again? Yes, sorry. And just tag.
Our food is here, guys. I got shrimp tacos, fish tacos, we got pizza. Pizza's delicious. Look at the Caesar salad that Jenny got. Look at this.
Oh my god, this looks so good.
Yes.
Let me see.
It's cute.
See?
It looks good.
Those boobies, though.
No, this. Listen,
Oh
you need
my-
to put the camera on yourself. Put the camera on yourself.
Put 'em on the
Rose. Let me hold it for you.
Yeah, you ain't
Y'all check it. Y'all ain't seen what.
like this.
Y'all ain't seen.
Give me like this.
You ain't seen the things that I seen. No one knows her troubles. Like, does your back hurt?
A lot. Yeah.
Yes, because you're so little.
Yeah.
And those things are so massive.
Look at me like
I don't know if y'all can see what I see in the way that I see it, but like,
oh my god.
like the girth and the width on these bad boys is substantial. Substantial, sis.
I'm so done.
Substantial. I thought I had something. I ain't got nothing on Rose. I ain't got nothing on Rose.
We have nothing.
She about 2 letters above me. 2 letters.
And 15 above me.
No. Look at Jenny
might as
over
well be
there.
A. I might as well be A.
With our triple D's. Hey, they look good though.
No.
They so perky.
What thing?
Can we switch?
I can't handle it. No, I can't handle it. I'm not strong enough.
Here guys, the fire is going on. About to jump in the pool. Still in our bathing suit. Just got back from Cosmoca.
Another
That's grate.
or like, do you have a super wall plug at all?